Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about things that I regret bringing on my trip to Thailand. I just got back from a 3.5 week trip around Thailand. I had an amazing time and I know you'll be asking where is the packing video. Stay tuned to the end where I have an announcement. But basically, I just want to show some things that I regret bringing and don't recommend. So the first item that I regret bringing is this white long midi skirt. Now you're thinking, oh, it's giving me like Mamma Mia vibes. It is, but it was just far too thick and far too hot to wear in the weather of Thailand. Like, I don't know why, I just really underestimated the heat, but it was too thick and too hot to wear. So even though it did look nice, also I was always worried about it getting really dirty because it's white. You can bring white things, but you just have to be cautious with them. And this didn't get too dirty. There was only a few marks on it that I had to wash out, but otherwise it was just too hot to wear. And I don't think I'd recommend, like, if you want to bring like a midi skirt, I would definitely recommend something much more lightweight and floaty. Maybe even, yeah, definitely to the knee. This was to the ground, but I only bought it like recently before the trip. And I was like, yes, this will be so nice, but regrets. Along the same lines, I had these black linen style like palazzo pants, I think they're called. They're like wide leg. And literally the same thing. They were too thick and too hot to wear. And these were actually a bit too formal as well. I wore them one night and I had to go back and change because it just wasn't the vibe. So basically I wish instead of bringing these, I have another pair of like linen style trousers that are beige and they're kind of just a bit more beachy and a bit more chill and a little bit more lightweight and shorter. So I wish I brought those instead if I decided that I needed a long trouser option. The third item or items that I regret bringing is this kind of lounge set. So it comes with a t-shirt style one and then some like bike shorts like that, and you're like thinking, okay, this is cute. And in my mind I was like, I'll wear this on travel days, like it'll be cozy, comfy, especially, you know, the aircon on buses can get really cold. But I just ended up wearing like my regular shorts and a crop top, and then I just would throw my like shacket over it, and I just didn't wear this. I wore this the day that I left and then one other day within the whole trip, and on that day it was just too hot. It was only because everything else was in the wash. But yeah, don't really recommend a lounge set. Like, I used to think, oh, I need something for chilling and travel days, but if your clothes are comfortable enough to wear all the time, then you don't need like extra comfortable clothes, if you get what I'm saying. The fourth item that I regret bringing is this mini skirt. It's like really cute, got a little slit, it's checkered, but the main reason I regret bringing this is because I didn't fit it at the time. And you basically don't want to pack things that don't fit you in like this aspirational, I'm gonna like lose weight because I'm eating like less and I'm moving more and I'm drinking more water, etc. No, just bring clothes that make you feel comfortable and confident right then and there. Don't be like, oh yeah, this will fit me then. Like, bring things that fit you now. That's all I have to say about that one. But I wish I brought a skirt similar to this that did fit me, because it would have been cute to wear a little skirt every now and again instead of shorts. Now the last item I regret bringing is this set, and I did wear it a fair amount, but it wasn't the best quality. It didn't make me feel the most comfortable or confident, but I tried to get as much wear out of it as possible. Comes with these shorts. Now these were actually fairly comfortable and cute, but they didn't go with that many other colours in my wardrobe, in my travel capsule wardrobe. This is the shirt that like matches. So you'd think, okay, this is a cute set. It is, and it was handy, like the shirt is just long enough to kind of wear as a cover up like at the beach, but I just feel like it was very standalone. It didn't go with a lot of other stuff, and I don't really like wearing shirts like this. Like, it's just not really my style. I don't know really why I bought it, but that was something I bought that I was like, yes, this will be cute, this will be fun, but I don't actually like it that much, but I did try to wear it as much as I could, again because I don't like to be wasteful. So that is the 5 things that I regret packing for my trip to Thailand. Everything else in my wardrobe I loved. I wore every single day, the crop tops, the shorts. I have this dress that is my like holy grail dress. I will talk about that in a different video. Now you're probably wondering, where is the packing video? And like I said at the beginning, I have like a little bit of an announcement. So I'm really lucky to have been invited to become a presenter on Rush Faster, which is a YouTube channel that reviews a lot of bags, and I am so fortunate and so excited about this opportunity because for me, I know when I first started like researching travel, carry gear and like packing videos and all these things, it was very, very male dominated, and I do feel like it still is. So to be able to give my voice to this world, this tiny little world on YouTube here, of packing and carry gear, I am so honoured, basically. So the packing video will be up on the YouTube channel. I basically just have to edit it and put it up. But I will leave links down below. Make sure you follow them, check them out on TikTok as well. Get excited because I'm going to be doing a video with them once a month, and I honestly cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you sticking with me. If you've been here for years, I really appreciate it, and thank you to everyone new who subscribed. If you want to see more videos like this and learn how to look good, live well while packing less, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.